Okay, I'm gonna try and do my makeup. I'm gonna be needing this foundation. I'll put it. Okay, I'm gonna start blending. Okay, we blended it out already. Okay, I got lipstick. I normally just use this as a blush. Just 2 dots. And then I'll start blending. Okay, I have blended it out. Time for lipstick. Now it's time for contour. Okay, I'm just gonna I'll just put some makeup products aside for it. Okay, first we're gonna contour my nose. There you go. There you go. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put some here now. Okay, some highlighter. Okay, and then let's start blending. Time for some eyeshadow. There you go. Okay, then some eyeliner. There you go, other side. And there you go. I like it. Okay, around here I just used an eyebrow pencil. Maybe if there you go. And then it's done.